Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Mowgli and Baloo. Do you know who is Mowgli and Baloo? Mowgli is a little boy who lived in the jungle. He was raised by a wolf and his best friend is a big friendly bear named Baloo. Baloo is always happy and loves to sing and dance. He teaches Mowgli how to enjoy life in a jungle, find food and stay safe. One of their favorite things to do together is sing a song called The Bare Necessities, which remind them that the single thing in their life are the most important. Baloo always look out for a Mowgli, make sure he is safe from danger, like the sneaky tiger named Sher Khan. Baloo is a big teddy bear to Mowgli and they have a lot of fun exploring the jungle together. Their friendship shows that no matter how different you are always be great friend and take care of each other. Thanks for watching.